Are you unable to spend your day just the way you want to? Are you gripped with some kind of fear or unpleasantness? Follow this tapping script, and even while you're at home, experience an amazing happening day ahead. The secret behind this tapping script is to raise your vibrations and to heighten your awareness so that you can go about spending your day purposefully. Often we get so blinded by the drudgery and the routine, we forget to seek out the small pleasures that the life has to offer. We also forget all the good that we have already achieved. Stay tuned with me for these rounds of tapping. This kind of tapping has a cumulative beneficial effect. If you feel things are getting out of control anytime during the day, tap along with this script and see if things shift for you. Let us begin. Let's begin with the karate chop. Even though there are things that I can think of right away that could prevent me from having a great day, I still have to focus my attention on getting the best out of this precious day. Again, even though there could be snacks and holdups just like any other day, I still choose to have a smooth and easy day today. Even though just telling myself to have a great day hardly seems enough, through this tapping, wouldn't it be nice if my intention is reciprocated in the form of a wonderful day? Let's move on to the eyebrow. I want to have an amazing day today. Just keep following me. I want to feel loved, happy, and healthy. I want my day to be filled with happenings that I like. Although it is not always easy, there are often unseen hurdles to having a great day. And today, I choose to have a great day anyway. Under the arm, I allow for me to go with the flow. Sometimes it feels like I'm getting nowhere, just nowhere, not getting anywhere, just nowhere. Sometimes I feel disconnected from what goes on around me. Today I choose to build the bonds and bridges that will last a lifetime. Sometimes responsibilities feel like a burden that weighs me down. Today I choose to be grateful, knowing I'm capable enough. I choose to be responsible. As the day drags on, I sometimes feel bored and restless. I today choose to find unexpected pleasures out of this mundane routine. Sometimes my work feels like too much struggle, too much struggle. I choose my load to be light and yet deliver remarkably. Sometimes things seem too complicated to sort out. Today, I choose for the pieces of the puzzle to fall into place effortlessly. Sometimes my best laid plans are ruined in a swipe. They are just ruined. My plans just ruined. They just get ruined. Sometimes I get lost in taking care of others. Today, I choose to pay attention to my wellness too. Sometimes I get blinded following everyone else's what they tell me. Today, I choose to listen to my voice, my own reasons. I often make unhealthy choices in a hurry and out of habit. Today, I choose to be more discerning about what I consume. As I expect all the goodness to come into my day, I choose to be considerate towards others. although I find it difficult. I am considerate. Considerate. When people behave irrationally, I choose to look past into the real reason and wonder whether I can be of any comfort to them. I choose to be compassionate towards myself. Even though I had an unpleasant past, today I choose to be kind. I choose to find pleasant people, find joy wherever I turn. I allow unexpected help and favors to come my way. I'm open to receiving all the good that the universe has to offer. Every single day of my life can be full of wonder and joy. So much wonder, so much joy. Today I choose to be pleasantly surprised by what the universe has in store for me. Tonight, as I look back into the day that was, I choose to feel grateful and contented. So much contentment, knowing that I gave my best and got the best in return. Today I choose to align with my highest good and happiness. Today I choose to be the best version of me. Today I choose to have a great day. Develop a habit of practicing tapping on regular basis and see if it shifts things for you. Do share your experience with me and let me know if you would like me to share the tapping script for any challenge that you are going through. Email your queries to me on insightslovingyourself@gmail.com. I shall share my email ID in the description box below. Do like my video if you find it beneficial and share it with others. Let it be your contribution to the world. Love yourself.